Here's a step-by-step look at what you can do with your new Square terminal. Let's start with payments. To take a payment, you can enter a custom amount using the keypad. You can add a note that will show up on the customer's receipt. Or search for an item in your library. Choose the item and tap Charge. Pass terminal to your customer so they can confirm the price, tip, pay, and choose to have their receipt texted, emailed or printed. They can insert any chip card with the chip facing up and enter their PIN right on terminal. They can also tap their card, phone or other contactless device. Exit the customer checkout screen by tapping the X in the corner to record cash or any other way your customers want to pay. To accept gift cards, tap Gift Card, enter the gift card number, or have the customer swipe their card. For an order where the card is not present, say a phone order, you simply ring up the order like usual and tap Manual Credit Card Entry. Enter the customer's full card number, as well as the card's expiration date, security code and postcode. If you want to view your transaction history, just tap the menu, then Transactions. To find a specific transaction, you can scroll, search by card number, or insert the card that was used. To search using a contactless card or device, just tap the search field first, then hover the card or device over the screen. Once you've located the transaction, you can text, email, or print a new receipt. To give a refund, choose the transaction, tap Issue Refund, then either select the items in the transaction to refund or tap Amount and enter the amount you'd like to refund. Then enter the reason for refund and tap Refund. Square Terminal comes with a customer-facing checkout flow out of the box, but you can change it to a seller-facing flow if that's how you like to work. You can also speed up your checkout by turning off the Show Itemised Cart screen. Then you won't see this screen before each sale. You can also adjust how you allow for tipping, change tipping amounts or turn off tips entirely. You can also allow employees to clock in and out of your terminal. To learn more about team management, follow the link in the description below. You can adjust screen brightness or adjust how soon terminal will go to sleep after a period of inactivity. We reboot daily so you get automatic software updates as soon as they're available. Now, let's talk about pricing. There are no monthly or hidden fees with Square. You'll pay 1.6% for every dipped or tapped transaction. If you key in a transaction, you pay a slightly higher rate of 2.2%. To check your payment processing rate, log into your dashboard, go to Account and Settings, and then Pricing and Subscriptions. If your business does more than $250,000 in card sales per year, you might be eligible for a custom rate. Head to square.com/sales to learn more. Square Terminal makes it simple to see daily sales reports at a glance. Just go to Menu, Reports, then Sales. Select the time period for which you want to see your sales, press Apply, and there they are. And then see the deposits Square's made to your account just as easily. See our Linking Your Bank Account video if you need help with linking your bank account. You can see more detailed reports from your computer on your Square dashboard. It's your way to keep your finger on the pulse of your entire business. To learn even more, check out our multi-location management and custom reports videos. To add a customer to a sale, tap Current Sale, then down arrow, then Add Customer. You can apply a customer to this sale or create a new customer. Just enter their information on your device. You can also add a customer from the receipt screen after the sale. To manage your customer list, tap on Customers in your main menu. It's easy to search all your customers by name, phone or email. Long lists of customers should be imported on your Square dashboard. You can also see valuable information about your customers, like who your regulars are and who hasn't been back in a while. To learn more about using your Square terminal, go to square.com.